Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Python and VS Code are installed. This creates a reliable runtime. Once done, install the official Python extension so you get language features and debugging. Next, open your project folder in VS Code and pick the correct interpreter from the command palette. This ties VS Code to the right environment. Make sure to save a simple script, then run it with the Run button to verify the interpreter and extension are working together. Now you set up an isolated environment to keep dependencies tidy. Create and activate a virtualenv or conda environment so pip installs go local to your project. Then install a linter and a formatter, and configure VS Code settings to run them on save so your code stays consistent. After that, create a launch configuration to debug scripts and a tasks file for repetitive commands. This automates testing and building. Doing these steps reduces friction and speeds development iteration. To finish, execute your test suite and run your application using the run or debug controls. Test Explorer integrates most frameworks and shows failures clearly. Use breakpoints and the variables pane to inspect state when something behaves unexpectedly, and step through code to find logic errors. Once your code runs, commit virtual environment exclusions and consider adding pre-commit hooks. If things go wrong, first verify the selected interpreter and environment, then open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.